Hi, I'm Teresa the Traveler, and today I'm at the Ombeni Manor in Tanzania. And one of the things that I enjoy about staying at the manor here is the food. And that is thanks to the man behind me, Chef John. In fact, today he is going to show me a special Tanzanian recipe and teach us how to cook it. So what are you going to teach us how to cook today, John?
Oh, thank you very much. Today we are going to cook a Tanzanian chicken stew with coconut sauce. This food is from coast of Tanzania. The ingredient of stew, we have onion here.
Okay.
Yeah, this is chopped onion, tomato. This is a coconut. You see coconut? This is chili. Our chili is not too hot, but the chili, I like the flavor of the chili. It's like, tell me, eat more, eat me. Okay, this is ginger, coriander, carrot, green pepper, and this is chicken. Here, this is a small pot here, is garlic. This is how we do garlic. Yes, okay. And also, I'll serve my food with a mango salsa. This is a few spices I'm going to use. First of all, in my left hand, I have a curry powder. This is curry powder. This is cumin.
Cumin, okay.
And this one is from Zanzibar. This is a mixed spice. There is a 5 spice mixed here. Okay. My dish I'm going to serve with a rice is bean rice. This is a green bean rice we're going to cook with my dish. So I heat my pan. The reason why I heat this pan, I want to seal my meat. I want to seal the chicken. Why I seal the chicken is to retain the juice in our chicken. So I make my hot pan very hot, then I seal my chicken. My chicken also I marinate with salt and lemon. Lemon is nice. So whenever I do chicken, I can recommend lemon and salt. I take my chicken. You see, now it's hot enough. When I put my chicken, you'll see the fire come on top. We call flambe. This is flambe. We call it flambe. Yes. Don't apply. The sealing process is done. So my chicken is ready now to make a stew.
So now we're going to cook the rice on the outside grill. So now he's cleaning the rice.
Yes.
Okay, so right now he's taking out some of the water because if you put too much water with the rice, it'll make porridge, not rice.
Yes.
Then what are you adding?
Corn oil. This is corn oil.
Okay.
Yes. And then I add salt. This is a charcoal grill. Charcoal stove, yeah.
Charcoal grill.
Cumin.
Cumin.
Yes, to add flavor. So I'm going to make a cumin rice. Cumin rice is so good. People from the coast, they like cumin rice or coconut rice. So this is green beans.
Okay.
Green beans. Put from the rice.
Okay, now that the rice is cooking, we're back in the main kitchen to work on the chicken.
The first step, I put my pan here. I add oil, a little bit of oil, onion. Put my onion just for 2 minutes. Then I'm going to add a garlic. This is a crushed garlic. You see the flavor? Oh, it's coming now. I want my chicken also to have this aroma and flavor. I add my chicken here. Also season to cook. 1 teaspoon is enough.
Of salt?
Of salt, yes.
Okay.
Now I'm going to add a cumin, ½ tablespoon. Now I'm going to add a curry powder.
What is it? Curry powder?
Curry powder.
Okay.
Yes, ½ tablespoon. And finish with ginger. I add ginger and I'm still cooking. Now the chicken have a flavor and I don't want to overcook my chicken. I take out my chicken, put aside, and use the same pan to make a stew. This is tomato. I add a mixed spice. I cook my tomato until tender.
Tomato will take about 5 minutes to get tenderized, and while we're doing that, we're gonna check on the rice.
Not yet.
The rice will be another 5 minutes.
Yes. I don't use a tin. I don't use a tin tomato
It's
like
called canned
tomato. Canned tomato like a tomato paste and so forth. So I use fresh one.
So all your ingredients are fresh?
Always fresh, and I enjoy to cook because need time to take time, but you get a proper quality food.
Starting to get soft now?
Now it's coming. Okay, now it's time to add carrot. I'm going to add carrot. I'm going to turn my rice. See now? I'm going to turn. I don't want my rice to stick down to the pan because it's too hot. I take it out and I put charcoal on top.
He puts the charcoal on top of the pan.
Yes, and down also there is some
And there's a little bit of charcoal down under.
Yes. So after 20 minutes, everything will be ready. Now the stew is coming. I'm going to add some potato and peas. Leave it like 10 minutes to make sure my potato is cooked well and garden peas. Then I'm going to add a green pepper and finished by chili and coconut sauce. Okay, now I'm going to add a coconut stew.
That's the coconut sauce?
Coconut, yes, coconut sauce. I add in my stew. Oh, it's coming, you see. At the same time, I'm going to add a green pepper because I don't need to overcook my green pepper. I need to have like...
So you want the green pepper to be a little bit crisp?
Yes, yes. Also, I'm going to add chili. And I want my chicken also to taste coconut. So I'm going now to put chicken. Wow, this is coconut chicken. I'm cooking again for 10 minutes. Then I'm going to finish with coriander.
Coriander.
Yes, this is going to be the last, just as a garnish and to get a fresh herb. Now I'm going to simmer. To simmer means to reduce the heat and to cook very, very slowly. For last 10 minutes, I need everything to cooperate together and come together in a sauce, so as my dish going to taste well. You see this top layer? You see this? This is something burning on top. You see? Yeah. This one, the coast ladies, mama, they believe that this, we call it mahaba. Say mahaba.
Mahaba, what's that?
Mahaba means this give to husband as a starter before he put food in the table. This one is make someone to love you more. If your wife give you this in the coast, it means like means love. You see? It's so good.
All right, so he put the rice in a bowl and turned it upside down, and then he put a little bit of the mango salsa and the stew. So we got a little garnish, and it's done.
Presentation is complete and ready to serve. Yummy, yummy.
Now dinner is served. It looks amazing. All right, let's try Chef John's creation. It is delicious.